the park, it was his favorite spot. Trails, shady trees, and a pond that sparkled a lot. But trouble stirred like a cloud in the sky. Travis teased him daily and he couldn't say why. Nice backpack, did your grandma choose that? Laughter followed, it was a very cruel chat. Liam's hands gripped tight, heart starting to race. He wanted a quick comeback and to save face. At least mine's not torn, the words flew out fast. For a moment he smiled, but the feeling didn't last. The sting still lingered like a thorn in his side. Was winning this battle really worth the try? Words can lift or words can break, like stones in water, ripples they make. Choose the ones that heal and grow. Let kindness be the strength you show. When anger calls, don't let it win. Let peaceful words heal and mend. The next day at school, the echoes remain. The teasing, the anger, the feelings untamed. In the lunch line, a shove from behind. Travis sneered, cruel words came to mind. Watch it, little Liam, clumsy much. The fire sparked quick with a bitter touch. Fists clenched tight, ready to fight. But something inside said, this isn't right. It wasn't on purpose, he softly spoke. But Travis just laughed like it was a joke. Recess came, frustration grew. Liam wandered alone, unsure what to do. Words can lift or words can break, like stones in water, ripples they make. Choose the ones that heal and grow. Let kindness be the strength you show. When anger calls, don't let it win. Let peaceful words heal and mend. Under cypress trees in a sunlit place, MC Sparrow stood with a knowing grace. Yo, Liam, what's bringing the heavy storm? His wings kept the beat, his eyes were warm. Travis won't quit teasing, so I snapped back too. But now I feel stuck, that much is true. MC Sparrow chirped, wise and clear. Listen up, kiddo, lend me your ear. Words are like sharp darts, they fly real fast. Once they're thrown, the pain is gonna last. But kindness grows like trees stand tall, and sometimes soft words solve it all. Liam thought hard, a spark in his chest. Could strength mean kindness? Is that best? It's easy to shout, to call out names, but hurtful words bring only shame. It takes more courage to choose what's right, to speak with love, not spark a fight. Bravery blooms when kindness stays. A simple word can change the days. So stand up tall, don't tear apart. Let gentle words spring from your heart. The next day, sun brought a brand new test. Liam stood firm, ready to impress. Still got that backpack, Travis grinned, but Liam just smiled, no need to defend. Yup, it's really bright, my favorite green, and it's sturdy too, it carries many things. Travis blinks, surprised and still. Kindness had made him stop and chill. No more scowls, taunting or a mean glare. Liam's courage made him feel light as air. Later that day, the park called him near. Sparrow winked and proudly cheered. See, like ripples that shine on the pond, kind words spread wide and grow beyond. Liam beamed, a wise lesson was learned. Kindness was chosen and peace was earned. Words can lift or words can break, like stones in water, ripples they make. Choose the ones that heal and grow. Let kindness be the strength you show. When anger calls, don't let it win. Let peaceful words heal.